Hey everyone, this is Haris from teamandroid.com, and this here with me is the all-new Huawei P30 Lite. This is the successor to last year's Huawei P20 Lite. These light phones have always been extremely popular among the masses. These phones have been very successful for the company, and personally, I enjoy using them a lot as well. The Lite series come with high-end specs, and they all come in a very affordable package. So the new Huawei P30 Lite is actually one of the three phones that Huawei introduced last month. The P30 Pro is their premium flagship device. Then there's a Huawei P30 phone, and they also introduced the Huawei P30 Lite. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the unboxing and let me show you all the stuff that comes inside the box. I love doing these unboxing videos mainly because of all the excitement that you're expecting from a brand new phone. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing of this phone. First, we'll take off the wraps. So here at the back we have a warranty card. Okay, yeah, Huawei likes to put them at the outside. They don't put it inside like other phone manufacturers. Let's cut off the seals. And here it is, the all-new Huawei P30 Lite. Wow, it looks gorgeous. So I must say this color is very similar to the Huawei Nova 3 I have with me. And I must say it looks just gorgeous. So we'll get right into the phone a little bit later. Let me show you what else comes inside the box. So we have a SIM ejection pin. There's a quick start guide. Then there's a soft TPU case inside. Perfect. At least I can protect my phone. I love this trend. I even said this in my last video. I love this trend of including a protection case right inside the box, so you can actually protect your purchase right from the day one. So what else do we have? So we have a charging brick. Oh, this is the Huawei quick charger. That means the P30 Lite also comes with fast charging. There is a USB cable, and this is a USB-C cable. Finally we're looking at USB-C in mid-range devices. And we have a standard piece of earphones. That's it. So yeah, this is pretty much it right inside the box. So let's have a look at the phone. I must say it looks gorgeous. There's this this reflection at the back. And here's a triple camera setup, which is part of the new Huawei P30 series. So on the P30 Lite, you get there's a 24 megapixel sensor, which is the standard camera for taking pictures. Then there is a 8 megapixel super wide angle lens at the back for taking those ultra wide shots. And there's also a 2 megapixel camera at the end, which is to capture bokeh effects in your portrait shots. And at the front, the phone has a 32 megapixels camera for taking high-end selfies. So here we have the power button, the volume keys. There's nothing on the left side, it's all clean. And yeah, here's the speaker grill. Then we have the USB, the USB-C slot, and then we have the 3.5 mm audio jack. So yeah, this is the SIM area and the secondary mic. Overall, the phone looks gorgeous. It's very identical to the Nova 3, I must say. I might even do a full comparison of the two phones and see which one performs better. I can bet the P30 Lite is a lot more powerful than the Nova 3. So yeah, let's boot the device. And here it is, the Huawei logo. It's powered by Android. The phone is actually powered by EMUI 9.0, but you can expect the new EMUI 9.1 very soon for this phone as well. Huawei has already started releasing the new 9.1 Android Pie update for all of the other phones. Just yesterday, they launched the new EMUI 9.1 in China for the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. So you can expect other Huawei phones to get it very soon. So yeah, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button and hit subscribe. You might want to stay tuned to our channel because we're planning a full giveaway of this of the P30 Lite to one lucky viewer. That is right after we do a full review of the phone. So stay tuned. Keep checking back. We'll be announcing the giveaway very soon. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.